how to use any song as ringtone on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on my files app. After click on my files, click on internal storage and just click and hold on file and click on copy and click on internal storage, click on downloads and copy here. After the process, go back to home screen, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, click on ringtone and you will see after select ringtone, so go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.